everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. Today we're helping you speak confidently in English meetings, even if English is not your first language.
Exactly. Many people stay quiet because they're afraid of making mistakes, but not today. We're going to show you 25 natural phrases you can use in meetings.
And we'll explain every phrase in simple English so you can understand and sound professional.
Hey there! Okay, let's dive into our first part, expressing opinions. We'll start with phrase number 1. In my view. It means, in my opinion.
Right. And it sounds polite and professional. For example, in my view, this approach won't work long term.
View here means perspective, the way you see something.
Okay. Phrase number 2 is, as far as I'm concerned. This means, from my point of view, or based on what I believe.
Exactly. As far as I'm concerned, this is our best option.
Phrase number 3 is, I'd say. This means, I would say, more casual.
Exactly. Very useful in meetings when you want to sound natural. I'd say we're on the right track. Phrase 4. What do you think?
Simple but powerful. What do you think?
Yes, it makes people feel included. Perfect for teamwork. Phrase 5. What are your thoughts?
More formal version. What are your thoughts?
Thoughts means ideas or opinions. Phrase 6. I'd like to hear from you, John.
Using someone's name makes it more polite.
Example, I'd like to hear from you, John.
It shows respect and encourages participation.
Part 3. Agreeing. Phrase 7. I couldn't agree more. This means I completely agree.
Yes, 100% agreement. Very strong but polite.
Phrase 8. Exactly. Absolutely. Or spot on.
These are short but enthusiastic. Exactly means you are completely right. Absolutely means I agree. And spot on is British way of saying exactly.
Phrase 9. That makes perfect sense.
This means what you said is logical. Very useful in professional discussions.
Part 4. Partial agreement. Phrase 10. I agree to an extent. Extent means limit. So this phrase means I agree but not completely.
Very diplomatic.
Part 5. Disagreeing politely. Phrase 11. I'm not sure I agree.
Even if you strongly disagree, this keeps things polite.
Phrase 12. I have a different point of view.
Point of view equals your perspective.
Phrase 13. To be blunt, I completely disagree.
Use this only when necessary. Blunt means direct, honest, not softened.
More direct, but still polite. Part 6. Asking for clarification. Phrase 14. Could you help me understand? This is a very polite way to ask for explanation. Phrase 15. I didn't quite follow. Means I didn't understand completely. Phrase 16. Correct me if I'm wrong, but shows humility. You're open to correction. Example, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't this outside the scope? Part 7. Interrupting and responding to interruption. Phrase 17. May I add something, Alex? add here means contribute. Phrase 18. Can I jump in here quickly? More informal, jump in means interrupt briefly. If someone interrupts you, you can say, 1 second. Or, if I could just finish my point. Or, let me finish my thought. Then I'd love to hear your perspective.
Part 8. Making suggestions. Phrase 20. I suggest. Or, I propose.
Propose is more formal.
Phrase 21. Here's something we can consider. Consider means think carefully about.
This grabs attention.
Phrase 22. How about? Or what about?
Informal, but useful.
Example. How about starting with a pilot program? Part 9. Buying time. Phrase 23. Good question. Let me think.
Gives you a few seconds to think.
Phrase 24. I'd like to give that a little more thought.
Professional and calm.
Phrase 25. I'd like to revisit that later.
Revisit means talk about it later.
And those are 25 powerful phrases to help you speak confidently in English meetings.
Use these in real meetings, and you'll sound more natural and professional.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget, next video, we'll show you the phrases you need for online meetings.
See you next time.